How to fix a smartphone that frequently hangs.
Is your smartphone repeatedly freezing or hanging while in use? Such disruptions can be frustrating, especially when you're in the middle of something important. Don't worry, this is a common problem, and there are simple solutions to address it. Here's a step-by-step guide to resolve smartphone hanging issues and improve its performance. 1. Uninstall unused apps. Start by decluttering your phone. If you have apps that you rarely or never use, uninstall them. These unused applications often consume storage and background resources, contributing to your phone hanging. Keeping your storage free will ensure your phone runs smoothly. 2. Avoid running multiple apps simultaneously. Running several apps at the same time can overload your phone's processor. Whenever you're done using an app, close it instead of leaving it open in the background. This will free up resources and prevent your phone from lagging. 3. Delete unnecessary files. Check your smartphone's file manager for unwanted files, photos, and videos. Often, large files and unnecessary data pile up, taking a toll on your phone's storage capacity. Regularly deleting these can prevent your phone from freezing. 4. Close background apps. Many apps continue running in the background even after you switch to another task. These background apps consume significant memory and processing power, which can cause your phone to hang. After completing a task, remember to close these apps and clear any open tabs. 5. Monitor your storage space. An overfilled storage system is a major cause of smartphone lagging. Regularly clean up junk files, cache data, and redundant media files. Aim to keep at least 20 to 30% of your phone's storage free for optimal performance. By following these tips, you can enhance your smartphone's functionality and reduce hanging issues. If the problem persists, consider updating your phone's software or resetting it to factory settings. However, back up your important data before attempting drastic measures. A smartphone hanging issue can be annoying but is often fixable with proper maintenance. By managing apps, clearing unnecessary files, and keeping your phone's storage optimized, you can enjoy a smoother user experience. Take these steps today and say goodbye to frustrating phone freezes.